Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Samsung Galaxy S26 has already gone up in price, and the new upcoming Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 will also become more expensive than their predecessors. The new prices of the new mid-range Samsung models have been revealed, suggesting a possible price increase. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Details about Samsung's upcoming 2026 Galaxy A series smartphones continue to surface online. Previous leaks have already shown what the devices will look like and revealed some of their key specifications. Now, with just a few weeks left until the Samsung Galaxy A37 and A57 go on sale, pricing information for both devices in the Eurozone has surfaced online, suggesting a possible price increase. The global debut of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 is expected soon, possibly even this month if rumors are to be believed. Tech leaker Sudhanshu Ambhor on X has published the prices of Samsung's upcoming mid-range devices, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. According to the new information, the devices will be more expensive than their predecessors. According to leaker, apparently courtesy of an unknown seller, the Galaxy A37 will be available in two configurations, 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, and 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. The former will reportedly cost €439, while the latter will set buyers back €539. Unfortunately, this would represent a price increase, as the Galaxy A36 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage debuted in Europe last year, with an MSRP of €379. The new Galaxy A57 appears to be taking a similar approach. It will come standard with 8GB of RAM, but will be available with either 128 or 256GB of storage. The former will reportedly cost €539, while the 256GB model will cost €609. As with the Galaxy A37, this represents a €60 price increase, as the base Galaxy A56 launched at €479. As a reminder, Samsung previously unveiled the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra flagships, and they also increased in price. Previously, on Blue Sky, WinFuture's leaker Roland Quant claims that Samsung will launch the Galaxy A57 in 5 colors: charcoal, icy blue, gray, lilac and navy, and the Galaxy A37 in 5 colors: white, charcoal, gray-green, lavender, and navy. He adds that all the colors are awesome. The global debut of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 is expected soon.